What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video, and today we're going to be comparing different microphones. That's right. I've got the AirPods versus the Samson q2u dynamic microphone. Also, I will be testing with a lavalier mic, and I'll probably throw in a fourth, which is the iPhone 11 internal mic. So let's get started. Okay, so up first we've got the original AirPods from Apple. This is the mic that you're hearing right now, or the AirPods that you're hearing right now. Wireless, which is great. I can move around. So that's what you're hearing right now. Let me know down in the comments section below, which mic would you prefer? Which mic is easiest to use? Which mic sounds the best? Let me know down in the comments. Alright, up next we have the microphone built in from the iPhone 11. This is what you're hearing right now, to see if it compares better or worse to the AirPods. And obviously, in my opinion, I'm sure it's just as everybody else, the microphone built in from the iPhone is not that good. So now what you're hearing is the lavalier mic. I've got it just clipped right here on my shirt. There's a little birds chirping in the background. Don't know if you can hear them. I just heard a car drive by not that long ago. So, but yeah, this is what you're listening to for the lavalier mic. Is it better than the AirPods? Is it better than the built-in microphone for the iPhone 11? To be quite honest, I think every mic has their pros and cons. Every mic has their situations, which one to use and which, I think every mic has their situation, what mic to use in this scenario, what mic to use in that scenario. Sure, of course, if you use different mics, it's going to be a little off and a little different for each scenario, but you can try and get it close as much as possible to the same sound if you go in and post edit and stuff like that. So alright, so now you are listening to the Samson q2u dynamic microphone. This is a XLR as well as a USB microphone. Personally, out of the whole bunch, out of all four of them, in my opinion, I believe that this mic right here, this dynamic mic, is the best mic that I've got. It's not the most expensive, and yet it is the most versatile that I've got. So let me know down in the comment section below, which mic do you like best? Do you like the dynamic mic that I've got right now plugged in USB? Or do you like the lavalier mic that I've got connected to the iPhone with an adapter from lightning to headphone jack? Do you like the built-in microphone from the iPhone itself, or do you like the AirPods? So which mic do you like best? Let me know down in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Also hit that notification bell, that way you're notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.